Phonics sentences practice for kids. Long vowel U. Hike up the dune to get a panoramic view of the landscape. Hike up the dune to get a panoramic view of the landscape. Stack the colorful cube tower. Stack the colorful cube tower. Look through the telescope tube. Look through the telescope tube. Roll down the sandy dune. Roll down the sandy dune. Pet the friendly farm mule. Pet the friendly farm mule. Plan a picnic in the sunny June. Plan a picnic in the sunny June. Whistle a catchy tune. Whistle a catchy tune. Wear a cute hat for the photo. Wear a cute hat for the photo. Spot a huge elephant at the zoo. Spot a huge elephant at the zoo. Use the key to unlock the door. Use the key to unlock the door. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.